How to use two filters on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to use two filters on TikTok. So let's begin. Before we proceed, make sure first to update your TikTok app. To do that, you just simply open your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and then make sure to click on the update button if it is available. Once you're done updating your TikTok app, you may now open it. And then, before we proceed with the final steps, what I would like you to know is that you may use the two filters on TikTok. However, you should use it one at a time or one by one. So, go ahead and press on that plus button found on the bottom mid of your screen, and then choose a filter that you want. So, click on effects right here, and then for example, I will choose this one. And now you may record your video, and then, for example, I'll just record one. And then once you have recorded your video, you may press on effects once again and then choose another filter that you want. So for example, I will choose this one now. I can record once again, and then you may still choose another filter and record once again. So that's what I mean when you use two filters. However, you should use it one by one. So now you may press on the check button found on the rightmost part and then post your video on TikTok. So that's it. That's how you can use two filters on TikTok.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.